Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick dev diary of my game called Undead Awakening. Now, for the people who have been following my tutorials, they probably already know most of the stuff that I've implemented so far because they've been following all that stuff, but for the people who haven't been following my games or my tutorials, I've been making a Dota style game. Now, a lot of the stuff that I've implemented, I haven't shown off in a lot of the tutorials, such as like updating everything that you see in here. Most of the time I don't show myself working on any of this, it just shows up in each new video. So I've been working on a lot of just small props. I finally got a tower implemented. I still have to do the animations for the fracture to break apart the tower after you destroy it. But yeah, so pretty much it's got the normal Dota style controls for click to move. You can move the camera around. If you press L, you can lock the camera in place. If you press L again, you can unlock it. If you press Shift, you can center it to your character. The one key fires a simple box. It's going to be some kind of attack. Not for the first character though. The skeleton's going to have a sword, so it's going to be probably using raycasts for the melee attack that I have to get implemented. But yeah, after each attack, it's a 1 second cooldown, and as much as I spam it, I can't spam more than 1 box a second. And then you see below that is the XP bar, and next to my player name that follows me is the level my character is. So as I fill up the XP bar, I'll go up a level, and it'll reset the XP bar so that I can level up to the next level. So for the game, it's not going to be traditional Dota style, it's going to be more of like an MMORPG level up system, and you can collect gear. It's not just buying gear and re-leveling up each round. It'll be pretty much like an overall, leveling up system and stuff, make people feel like they're being rewarded more each round. So yeah, if you kill monsters in these areas, you can collect gear and such, but you have to actually finish the match to obtain any of that stuff, so we don't have people dropping out or not wanting to play during the round. People who just sit in AFK are not going to be able to collect any gear or experience or level up or anything like that, so it's only going to reward the people who actually play the game. And I'm probably going to come up with some system for kicking people as well if they're not playing, or do something to kick them and then allow the other players to catch up in a way. So maybe increase their level to make up for that person dropping. But those are still game mechanics that I have to test out in the future. Now, the only character I have right now for like a selectable character is this skeleton guy. You can see one I was experimenting with different glow effects for the weapon and his body. And the other one I was attempting to implement the animations that my animator was doing, and I was doing a little bit of testing on that. And yeah, I guess I can show you guys some other features. There's going to be a gathering feature during gameplay, so if I press 7, you'll see the little gathering bar. If I walk, it cancels it. So I can press 7, go gather, and it'll disappear if it gathers, and it will add one of the materials for the ore to my inventory. That's not displayed yet on screen, and this will add one for wood. And you can see that I'm level 3 right now because I've leveled up my XP. Now, there's nothing special with the level up system right now, it just levels up like normal. In the future, I'm going to add more stats. I can go and I can press, let's see here, I for inventory, and there's going to be different slots for the armor and stuff I collect after each match. So whatever I collect, I can go into my inventory. I haven't set up the inventory system yet. I've just set up this little window here that I made. And yeah, it'll be able to display all your stats there and all your items that you can swap out during the matches while in game. So we can close that real quick. If I press T, that brings up talents. There's nothing special about this right now. I can get 3 talents since I'm level 3. And that's the basics for those systems. There's also a basic chat system implemented down here. So if I type, it'll show what time it is in game, my character name, and all that. And also another cool feature, if I press keys that are keybound, so one would be attack, inventory, all that stuff. No matter what I press, it's not going to open any of those windows while I'm typing. And I also made it so you can just press enter to close out or start typing again. So yeah, and if you spam a few times, it'll create a scrolling window. Now I'm probably going to change this up a little bit, and the scrolling in the scroll window affects my actual scroll in game. And clicking, there's a couple of bugs with that sends a raycast, but if I use the right click, it'll move just fine. Go kill these guys real quick. So yeah, there's still a few bugs with certain animations that the ghosts play. I want to get rid of, or at least change up the GUI style for this, and I don't want it to be able to slide over, so I'm going to have to edit that a little bit. Need to add some more attacks down here. And yeah, that's pretty much the state of the game right now. There's probably a few more features I forgot to mention during here. Oh, which is the pause menu. So if I press L to unlock, you can actually change the speed at which the camera moves depending on what you set it at. It's a sensitivity setting. So I could go all the way over here, check out something, press shift, and jump right back into gameplay. You can adjust that to whatever you want, whatever your liking is. None of these other options work, but still have to work on that options menu a little bit more. But yeah, that's pretty much what I want to show off for the game so far. There'll be a few more updates in the future once I get some new GUI elements added and a few more features added, but I just wanted to show off to the people who haven't been watching my tutorials which game I've been focusing on for the past month or so.